Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Srila Prabhupada. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Satma. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Satma. Hara prasade bhai he bhavato riyadai. Jahara prasade bhai he bhavato riyadai. Prapti hoye jaha hoye te. Krishna prapti hoye jaha hoye te. Guru Padma Vakya Chitete Goriyakya. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitete Goriyakya. Na kori ho mane aasa. Aare na kori ho mane aasa. Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Utama Rati. Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Utama Rati. Jai Prasad Pure Karva Aasa. जय प्रसाद पूरे सर्व चक्षुदान दिलो जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से चक्षुदान दिलो जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से धीरे ज्ञान धीरे प्रकटितो धीरे ज्ञान धीरे प्रकटितो जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर सत श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी महाराज प्रभुपाद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की, नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की, इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य श्रीला प्रभुपाद की, प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की, श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की, वृंदावन धाम की, मथुरा धाम की, नवद्वीप धाम की, जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की, गंगा माई की, यमुना माई की, तुलसी देवी की, भक्ति देवी की, संकीर्तन यज्ञ की, ट्रांसेंडेंटल बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की, सामवेद भक्त वृंद की, गौर प्रेमानंदी, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to Sri Sri Guru and Gauranga ki jai. Translation now.
The lotus feet of our spiritual master.
I bow down to his lotus feet with great awe and reverence. By his grace one can cross the ocean of material suffering and obtain the mercy of Krishna. My only wish is to have my consciousness purified by the words emanating from his lotus mouth. Attachment to his lotus feet is the perfection that fulfills all desires. He opens my darkened eyes and fills my heart with transcendental knowledge. He is my Lord, birth after birth. From him ecstatic prema emanates. By him ignorance is destroyed. The Vedic scriptures sing of his character. Our spiritual master is the ocean of mercy, the friend of the poor, and the Lord and the master of the devotees. O Master, be merciful unto me. Give me the shade of your lotus feet. Your fame is spread all over the three worlds. Srila Prabhupada ki. कदाचित् कालिंदी तटवीपीन संगीत करावो कदाचित् कालिंदी तटवीपीन संगीत करावो मुदा भीरी नारी वदन कमल स्वादन मधुप रमा शंभु ब्रह्मा मरापति गणेशार्चित पादो रमा शंभु ब्रह्मा मरापति गणेशार्चित पादो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भावतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन स्वये वेणुं शिरसि शिखि पुच्छिं कटितटे भुजे स्वये वेणुं शिरसि शिखि पुच्छं कटितटे दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचर कटाक्षं विदधते सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावसति लीला परिचयो सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावसति लीला परिचयो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी महाबोधिस्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे महाबोधिस्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन्तसदन्त सहज बलभद्रे नवलीना सकल सुर से स्वसरतो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भावतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भावतु मे कृपा परवर सजल जलदाश्रेण रुचिरो Ramavani Rama Spuradamalapaṁ Kuru Amukha Ramavani Rama Spuradamalapaṁ Kuru Amukha Surendre Aradhya Sruti Gana Sikha Gita Charito Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Radharuto Gacchān Pati Nirita Bhudeva Patalai Pradrubhavam Pratipadam Upakarna Sadayai Daya Sindhur Bandhur Sakala Jagatam Sindhu Sudaya Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Parabrahma Pida Kuvalyadalo Kulanayano Nivasiniladrau Nihita Charano Nanta Sirasi Nivasiniladrau Nihita Charano Nanta Sirasi Rasanandu Radha Sasava Puralindrana Sukho Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Navayache Rajyam Nachakana Kamanikya Vibhavam Cheham Ramyam Sakala Janakamyam Varavadhum Sada Kale Kale Brahmathapati Nagita Charito Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me Haratvam pamanam vitatim aparam yadopate. Aho dine nathe nihita charito nischitam idran. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patdari Bhavatu Me. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patdari Bhavatu Me. Jagannath Fastam Punyam Yapathe Prayasuchi Sarvapap Visuddhatma Vishnu Lokam Sarvachati. Sometimes in great happiness, Lord Jagannath makes a loud concert with his flute in the groves of the bank of the Yamuna. He is like a bumblebee, tasting the beautiful lotus-like faces of the cowherd damsels of Vraja. And great personalities such as Lakshmi, Shiva, Brahma, Indra, and Ganesha worship his lotus feet. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision.
In his left hand, Lord Jagannath holds a flute. On his head, he wears peacock feathers, and on his hips, he wears fine yellow silken cloth. From the corners of his eyes, he bestows sidelong glances upon his loving devotees, and he always reveals himself through his pastimes in his divine abode of Vrindavana. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision.
On the shore of the great ocean, within a large palace atop the brilliant golden Nilachala hill, Lord Jagannatha resides with his powerful brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra, who sits between them. May that Jagannatha Swami, who bestows the opportunity for devotional service upon all godly souls, be the object of my vision.
Lord Jagannath is an ocean of mercy and is as beautiful as a row of blackish rain clouds. He is the storehouse of bliss for Lakshmi and Saraswati, and his face resembles a spotless, full-blown lotus. The best of demigods and sages worship him, and Upanishads sing his glories. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision.
When Lord Jagannath moves along the road on his Rath Yatra car, at every step large assemblies of Brahmanas loudly chant prayers and songs for his pleasure. Hearing their hymns, Lord Jagannath becomes very favorably disposed toward them. He is the ocean of mercy and the true friend of all the worlds. May that Jagannath Swami, along with his consort Lakshmi, who was born from the ocean of nectar, be the object of my vision.
Lord Jagannath, whose eyes resembles full-blown lotus petals, is the ornament on Lord Balaram's head. He resides on Nilachala hill with his lotus feet placed on the heads of Anantadev. Overwhelmed by the mellows of love, he joyfully embraces Srimati Radharani's body, which is like cool pond. May Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision.
I do not pray for a kingdom, nor for gold, rubies, or wealth. I do not ask for a beautiful wife, as desired by all men. I simply pray that Jagannath Swami, whose glories Lord Shiva always sings, may be the constant object of my vision.
O Lord of the demigods, please quickly remove this useless material existence I am undergoing. O Lord of the Yadus, please destroy this vast, shoreless ocean of sins. Ah, this is certain. Lord Jagannath bestows his lotus feet upon those who feel themselves fallen and have no shelter in this world but him. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision.
That devoted and virtuous soul who recites these 8 verses glorifying Lord Jagannath becomes cleansed of all sins and duly proceeds to Lord Vishnu's abode.